Tuesday morning update. It's warmer outside. Looks like we're at 36 degrees. Some neighbor dogs are running down our road. Our guys are going out to go bark at them. Snow's melted down a little bit. I can actually see some sagebrush coming out of the snow out there. So it's cooking down some on its own, not fast enough for me. My trail didn't fill up with too much snow last night. So today is dig out the car and see if I can operate it on our road, and then see how far we can travel. Maybe go to work on Wednesday. Looks like some of the snow in the yard's cooked down to about a foot deep. That's good. There's some sun trying to break through the clouds over there and over there and down there. So we just need to come up here a little bit higher, melt some of our snow. Today's project: unstick the Subaru. We'll see how it works. Snow has melted down some, but we'll see how much digging I got to do to get it free. Then run it back and forth on our road, and then try and go up our first main road. We're kind of on a double cul-de-sac here. After the Blue Cut fire, major water came down and destroyed one of our primary roads, so we can't go that way anymore. So, and to get onto the first main road over there, there's a major dip. We usually get stuck in the snow. So, we'll see how this morning goes. Getting closer. There's the driver's door. There's the snow. There's the ground I cleaned out around the car. And there's the snow that was next to the car. Talk about cardio. Proof in the pudding will be when I can start the car and move it. Started it yesterday, moving it didn't work, but based on the amount of snow behind that tire alone, and the other 3 tires I've already cleared out, I understand it's a Subaru, but it's not high enough. Second attempt to clear down our road. 2017 Outback, snow tires. I got in the lowest setting with extra traction for slippery roads, and we'll see what happens. I got stuck twice the first time. Good thing I wasn't filming. See how this goes. Slip sliding away. I'd rather drive on the earth than the compact snow, because compact snow is like ice. There's where I dug in last time. I would have given to be in a school bus on a warm, dry day someplace. Well, this just gets us to our main road, which, when you see it, you go, holy crap. There's the main road. Looking that way. Nope, ain't gonna happen. Looking that way. That's the only way out. And I'm worried about when we go over this hump and then get into that slush river there. So we'll see how the day pans out. It's Tuesday at 9:46 in the morning. Oh, is this February 28th?